Is your Fire TV Cube stuck on a black screen showing no signal or endlessly searching for a signal? Don't worry, this is a common problem and there's a few quick fixes that can usually get your Fire TV Cube back up and running in minutes. So first you have to take a look at your Fire TV Cube and make sure the HDMI cable is plugged into the HDMI output. If it's plugged into the HDMI input, your TV may show a black screen, so make sure the HDMI cable is connected to the HDMI output correctly. If everything looks connected correctly, but your problem are still here, go ahead and unplug both the HDMI cable and the power cable from the Fire TV Cube. So if you're using a power strip or surge protector, just try plugging the power adapter directly into a wall outlet instead. But your problem are still here, go ahead, unplug everything from the power and wait about 5 minutes. This actually gives the Fire TV Cube enough time to completely power down and clear any temporary glitches. So after that, reconnect the power cable and HDMI cable, making sure they are firmly plugged in. And then you have to restart your TV. But if you're still getting a black screen or no signal or looking for a signal message, try plugging the HDMI cable into a different HDMI port on your TV. And finally, if you're still seeing a black screen, let's try adjusting the display resolution. So you just have to use your Fire TV Cube remote and press and hold the up button and the rewind buttons together for about 10 seconds. So then the Fire TV Cube will begin cycling through different display resolution. So here you have to choose your perfect one. I go for the higher one and you can try one by one. So if the issue is being caused by an unsupported resolution, this step often brings the picture back. So if that doesn't do the trick, don't worry, just try to restarting the Fire TV Cube remote. Just press and hold the play, pause button and the select button together for about few seconds until the device restarts. So once it power back on, just check to see if the screen returns. And that's it. These are some of the most effective fixes for a Fire TV Cube that's showing a black screen or no signal problem. So let us know which one fixed your issue. Thanks for watching.